crafters, I hope you're having a great day today. Today we're going to make a Halloween card, but it's really special because it's a shaker card. I think you're really going to like making it. So let's head over to the design table and let's get started. First, you have to talk about this spider. I got this at Walmart a couple years ago. Couldn't make a Halloween card without my spider. So we're going to make this happy Halloween card today. So cute, a little shaker card. Put Wicked on the inside. The pieces that you're going to need today, you'll need a base card, and the base card is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. You're going to need the top mat, which is 4 by 5 1/4. The next mat will be 3 3/4 by 5. As you can see here, you're going to need this little snow globe that we get from our holiday catalog. You're also going to need to stamp Happy Halloween. We get that from our Wonderfully Wicked stamp set. You'll need pumpkin pie ink, and then we're using a gilding wax to go over this to make it look like an actual gold frame in the catalog. You're going to need, on page 43, the Snow Globe Scenes die set. That's only $31. And then you'll need the Wonderfully Wicked. Wonderfully Wicked, it's on page 55 because you're going to need this Happy Halloween. And it's a stamp set. It's only $18. Oh, I think you're just going to love making this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to glue down our top, our base mat right here. And as you can tell, I've kind of rounded the edges. And I like to use that wet glue because you can slide it around just a little bit. Now, before we put down this top mat, we're going to blend just a little bit around the edges to give it some shading. And we're going to use pumpkin pie for that. So we're just going to go around just a little bit. Okay, it just added some depth, as you can see. Now, we used an embossing folder from Anna Griffin for this, but you can use any embossing folders that you want. There's some terrific Stampin' Up embossing folders that would just look wonderful on this. So we're going to go ahead and glue that down. And on this, you really need to use your wet glue because, as you can see, there's some crevices in there that you really need to make sure you get the glue in. Make sure we have it. It's a top fold down card. Okay, and just press it down to really get into those crevices. Okay, we're going to put this to the side for just a second, and we are going to, we cut our ring, and our ring that we used were some dies from Stampin' Up, and all those dimensions will be on the website. But you use a bigger outer ring and a smaller inner ring, and that size is 3 11/16, and the smaller one is 2 13/16 to give you this opening so that it can go over the snow globe. But we need to make it look like gold. So we're going to use our gilding, and we're just going to go over. Now, you could use gold paper, I guess, if you wanted to, but this just kind of gives it an old kind of tattered look about it, tarnished look. I just really like it. You know, Halloween's all about being spooky and not brand new. So that's why we like this. The black kind of shines through a little bit and gives it that old look about it. So it's not perfect. Just perfect for us though. And then we went ahead and we die cut the base of the card. There's 2 pieces, and we're going to go ahead and just do the top. Just do the top in this gilding wax. Just makes it look like that old-timey gold. Oh, look how pretty that looks. So pretty. Now, of course, as you can expect, you're going to get your fingers dirty on this one. So you need to wipe it off, and gilding wax doesn't come off all that easy, so you really have to scrub it. The next thing we're going to do is you have to select your picture that you want to use. Now, Stampin' Up! Does have a stamp with theirs. It's an old house, and it looks, to save some time, I didn't want to color that and use blending, so I went ahead and I just found a picture on the internet, and I love this house. So what you need to do is you need to take out your snow globe, and it has tape on the top and tape on the bottom. And you need to make sure that you pick out what you're going to put in your shaker. Now, we have picked out different things, as well as Stampin' Up! Snowflake sequins, because it just gives it that extra sparkle. Okay, before you put this down on the picture, make sure you use your little powder puff and you go in here so that your little sequins, whatever you choose, won't stick to this. So, first thing we're going to do is I like to use my little pokey tool and take it off like that. And now just put this down right where you want it. Okay, push down, go around. There are so many uses for this snow globe. Oh my goodness. Christmas, Halloween, bridal shower, birthday, so many things. Okay, so what you need to do now is you need to glue this down on your base. Okay, and I'm using, you can run this through your Xyron if you want. But I'm going to go ahead and just use some glue. Okay, perfect. Okay, we've taken our glue off our little snow globe. Now we're going to put this down over it. Press down really well all the way around. Now you want to make sure and cut off the excess, and so all you have to do is just tilt your scissors and cut around it. Isn't that cute? Now we're going to glue on the base, and you only want it at the top. So about the top third is your glue. Got a string there. Okay. Perfect. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. Next, we're going to glue this down on the front of our card. So get it, push it down. Okay. Oh, so cute. We're going to let that dry, and we have stamped Happy Halloween on a little piece of paper. But we want it to look spooky too, so what we need to do is we need to use our pumpkin pie again and just go around the edges just to make it look a little dark and spooky. Okay. I'm going to take this to the back of it. Put this down right about there. Push down. And what I like to do is I like to add these little black dots at the end so that it looks like brads, like it's stuck down. I want to make sure. Okay. So we're just going to add a little dot, turn it around, dot. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we cut our inside paper 3 3/4 by 4 3/4, and I'm going to go ahead and round the edges. I love this tool. It gives you different sizes. Around that one, you just push the paper in and there it goes. And we need to go ahead and once again muddy up that paper so it looks a little spookier, right? Okay, and next we're going to stamp. Remember, we have Wicked stamped right here. We're going to stamp Wicked. We're using our Memento Black. Just going to put it down here, give them plenty of space to write. Hold it down for a moment. There we go. Now what you could do to really spook it up a little more is we could actually put, let's do that. Let's put a spider web in the corner. That would be cute. Once again, it's using the same stamp set. Oh, too cute. Okay, we're going to glue that down. And there we have it, our Halloween shaker card. What child would not love to receive that? Wicked. Well, I hope you had a great time today making this Happy Halloween card. Don't forget, you can go onto my website, and I'll have that posted for you as well. Go onto my website, my online store, and pick up these materials so you too can make this card. Go out and have a fantastic day, and thank you for sharing your time with me.